Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling on Windows 11 computer guys. For that go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side you need to select the system and right side select display and scroll down guys. Select related settings to graphics, select the graphics. In graphics, you need to select the change default graphics settings. Click on it. And optimizations for windowed games. Reduce latency and use advanced features in compatible games by using flip preparations model. You are need to restart your game for changes to take effect. Just need to click on position in here. Whatever guys you turn on or turn off is your choice, and make sure you must restart the game guys for changes take effect. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.